Hey guys, we received this TheraICE arm ice pack thing or the ice pack sleeves. So if hot and cold compression sleeve, let me just open the pack. So this is basically used on your arm, like if you want to give a hot compress or a cold compress, and that you can use this. You can put it in a refrigerator or in a microwave, and then you can also use it directly. So very nice, thick and flexible gel inside, and the soft and flexible cloth. So this will really feel comfortable and cozy, and also a thick gel thing you can see from here. So the quality wise, this is a really nice product for the hold and got compressed. And after putting in the refrigerator, you can see like in the packing. So once you put in there, and you can see that it holds really well on the arms, and this cover up everything. And then the feel is also very nice and comfortable, and the grittiness and based on the gel quality, it's a nice sleeve.